Hello Saber fans, this is Gray Paladin, and right here I have my Saberforge DIY lightsaber kit with the Golden Harvest V3 soundboard. And I ordered this on Etsy. I ordered it on the 16th, it shipped on the 27th, and I got it on the 3rd of December. So that's just over 2 weeks for all of this to come in. If you are a DIYer, you like to or want to install your own saber, I thought this might be a really good option because it has all the parts you need to complete a saber, and it only cost just over $100. So if you tried to, I feel like it's a really good deal if you try to piece it all together yourself. And on top of that, it saves you time because you don't have to worry about going through and trying to find all the different parts and things that you need. This is pretty cool to do a kit with everything right there ready to go. So this is going to go in one of the sabers that I have to upgrade. So let's just see what everything that comes in here for $109. Now it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's $10 more if you get the Tri-Cree or the Inhelt LED. But here's the Golden Harvest soundboard. And remember, this has smooth swing and supports NeoPixel and comes with a lot of fonts, and it's a really good board. I installed a KR's Flagship with this, and I really like this board a lot. It's very easy to use, and look how large those pads are. So nice to work on. And I've been in communication with Friedrich. He's German, and because this is a German manufacturer, Sabertech, and he's very friendly. He's willing to help you with anything you need. I had some questions about how to wire up a switch, and he replied right away. So really nice person. This is the recharge port, the seedling. Now what I really like is it comes with all the wires that you need. So that's pretty cool. Granted, I have a lot of wires, but if you're just looking to start on trying to build your own saber, this kit is probably perfect for you. It comes with all the wires you need. I like to use more variety of colors, but this is still really great. Yeah, this is legit. Okay, so there's our wire. This might be the speaker. Let's see. Yep. So you got a bass speaker. That's nice. This is a non-illuminated AV switch, 12 millimeter. What rolled over here? Okay, here's the NeoPixel connector. So that's nice. It has a quick connect thing there, and it's got a cap on there to protect the pogo pins. So they packed this very nicely to make sure that everything comes to you safely and intact. Yeah, that's an interesting NeoPixel housing. I'm so accustomed to using other stuff, but yeah, that works well. So is that a 7-pin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins. Yeah, 8-pin NeoPixel connector. So again, if you do the Inhelt LED, it costs $10 more, and I prefer NeoPixel. It's really nice, and it's a little easier to wire up, I think, because you don't need resistors and all that stuff. So that's cool. And I like that they included this cap on there to protect the pogo pins. And what's nice is I can use this as a blade cap to keep the dust out on some of my other blades. So that's nice. I have to say, I've had issues with Saberforge in the past, but this past year, they've really stepped up their game, and they're doing some really nice things. They've improved a lot of their hilts. The electronics go on Golden Harvest has been really cool. And now they're offering these kits, and they can do a full DIY kit now on Etsy, where you can get the empty saber plus one of these kits here, do it yourself, and it costs half the price of ordering it through them. And I'm assuming that it probably comes to you much faster. Like this, I got this in just over 2 weeks. And again, I'm overseas, so that shipping takes a little bit longer. If you're in the continental U.S., you probably get it much faster. And then to top it off, so you're paying less and you're getting it sooner. So if you try to go through the Saberforge site and have them install it, you're waiting, you know, probably 6 months almost. I think the average time is 4 months to get a saber from them. But if you do through Etsy, do it yourself, and there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that show you how to install a saber if you're willing to take that leap, if you have the time and the interest. I know it's not for everyone. You can get a nice saber for half the cost and half the time. Yeah, so here's the battery, 18650, with a chassis. Speaker goes in there, and spot for your wires. The board, you know, sits right there. So this is a good deal. Oh, and 3400 mAh. So the battery life will last on this for a while before you need to recharge. So I'm really pleased with this kit and what Saberforge has done, and the fact that it's only $109 for the NeoPixel kit and $119 for the in-hilt LED. So everything you need right there to complete a saber: soundboard, recharge port, wire, battery, chassis, illumination. I went with NeoPixel, switch, and speaker. So if you're interested in doing a DIY, maybe go this route here. Everything's right there in one kit, one price, and I can build a saber today if I wanted to with this right here. So that's pretty awesome. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below, and hopefully I'll have this into another hilt or saber soon. I think I might put that in my ASP. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching, and may the Force be with you.